Hi Denis, could you tell us how you built an outfit, please?
Great, that's a common question. How do you turn your clothes to a full complete outfit? I'll share with you my top style tips today. First, start with deciding, is there a definite piece you want to wear? I always start with deciding on my shoes, and by the way, probably 90% of people do, especially in London. So I wanted to wear these trainers and I wanted to wear comfortable flats. So I'll start it with the shoes. Then the second question you should ask yourself is, do you want to stand out or blend in on that day? And there is no right or wrong questions. We all have days when we love being bold and bright, and days where we just want to be simple, casual and blend in. So today I felt like I feel fun, I want to wear color and stand out, so hence the choice of the trousers. And I know that these two go together because I have styled them in multiple ways, so that was the easy choice. Next question to ask is, do you want to dress up or dress down? How smart do you want to be? Now with these trousers I had the option to put a blouse if I wanted to dress up the look, or a shirt. I could have worn a white t-shirt if I wanted to dress it down, but I wanted to add something more edgy, so I went for this corset from Dion Lee, which I love. Also, when you build an outfit, make sure you have contrasting textures and materials. Like I love the lace against the simple trousers to elevate the look. And last but not least, make sure to accessorize. Don't skip the accessories because they're the finishing touches which make your outfit look complete. So again, I knew that they have a set of bracelet and earrings to match the trousers and the shoes. These kind of go together. So that's how I finished off my look.
And what type of jacket or bag would you wear with this?
Very good question, because we're in London and layering is mandatory most of the days. So I could have went for a full suit and all pink, but I don't like breaking up the look with white jacket. So I love the oversized look, as I feel it looks a bit more casual. It goes with the street style and the trainers. And I will just finish off the outfit with a white bag, just very simple.
Here is another question. How do you know how to put colors together?
If you're new to colors and you're not sure how to style them, just make sure your outfit has up to 3 main colors. So for example, with me, I have the magenta trousers, I have a splash of orange with my shoes, and then white. And that will make sure that your outfit is balanced and it's not too busy. Also, if you're afraid of colors, you can, for example, use colors in a small amount. Let's say add colors with your jewelry or a pop of color with your sunglasses and bag, rather than going for a bold piece of clothing.